Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a quick video walkthrough of the new 2019 Yamaha AR195. For this year they've been redesigned. They're a little wider, a little longer. They've added a much larger swim deck on the back. I just want to quickly walk you through a couple of the new items. Inside you'll see it was redesigned with more storage. There's a table this year, cooler underneath. They've added their Connects digital dash with a Clarion stereo, phone holder. Great storage this year. Ski locker in the bottom. Clarion stereo speakers up front, storage. Full bench seat. Two more speakers in the rear, engine access. This one comes equipped with a sport arch with a bimini that's integrated into it. It's also available with bimini only with a second bucket seat for the passenger side. Wanted to give you a quick walkthrough. For more information, you can contact me, Greg Davis, at MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.